Hi, I'm Anna with WTI, and I'm here to tell you why the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara by Maybelline is one of my go-to on the daily basis. What's important to me is that whatever mascara I use, that it washes out very easily, and this is one of those very easy to wash out brands. It has a flexible brush that it extends from root to tip to the lash. It has bamboo extract and fibers for the really long full lash look. It's allergy tested and ophthalmologist tested, so it's good for sensitive eyes. It truly is my go-to for the no makeup look. This is what I usually reach for. So if you want to have the lashes for those no makeup looks and those days where you just want to head out the door, I truly recommend the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara by Maybelline. It is by far one of the best, and that's my point of view.